Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make marshmallows at home without gelatin. First, gather your ingredients: sugar, corn syrup, water, and a flavoring like vanilla. The key to our gelatin-free recipe is agar powder, a fantastic plant-based thickener. This simple guide will help you create delicious, fluffy treats that are perfect for any occasion. Next, let's prepare the syrup. In a saucepan, combine your sugar, corn syrup, and water. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring until the sugar dissolves. Continue cooking without stirring until it reaches exactly 240 degrees Fahrenheit. Meanwhile, in a separate bowl, whip your agar solution until it's light and fluffy, forming stiff peaks. Now for the exciting part. With your mixer running on low, slowly and carefully pour the hot sugar syrup into the whipped agar mixture. Increase the speed to high and beat for about 10 minutes until the mixture is very thick and glossy. Pour this into a lightly greased and dusted pan, then let it set at room temperature for at least 4 hours. Once set, dust your marshmallow slab generously with a mixture of powdered sugar and cornstarch. This prevents sticking. Use a grease knife or cookie cutters to create your desired shapes. These homemade treats are wonderful in hot chocolate or toasted. For more great finds, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. Store your finished marshmallows in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 1 week of delicious enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.